When you're looking for an espresso machine with a built-in grinder, there's a lot to consider. Whether you're after the convenience of a fully automatic system or the hands-on approach of manual control, there's a machine for every coffee lover. Let's walk through some of the top options in the category, from the best overall to the best value, and help you decide which is right for you. We'll also touch on the strong contender, the worth considering, and the premium choice, so stay tuned for a thorough comparison. Before we get started, make sure to check the links in the description box. These links will take you to the latest deals for the products we'll discuss, so you can grab them at the best price. Starting with the best overall, we have the Breville Barista Touch. This espresso machine delivers both convenience and precision with its integrated conical burr grinder and touchscreen interface. With 30 grind settings, the hardened steel burrs ensure maximum flavor extraction, while the dose control provides the perfect amount of coffee every time. The easy-to-use touchscreen allows you to customize coffee strength, milk texture, and temperature, with the option to save up to 8 personalized drinks. The Auto Milk Queue system takes milk frothing to the next level, offering hands-free microfoam with adjustable temperature and texture settings. Whether you prefer silky lattes or rich cappuccinos, it delivers barista-quality results. The brushed stainless steel build adds durability, and while it comes at a premium price, the combination of advanced features and ease of use makes it a top-tier choice for serious coffee lovers. Next, let's talk about the strong contender, the Philips 4400 series. This fully automatic machine is incredibly user-friendly. Its Latte Go system froths milk without any complicated tubes, and it's easy to clean, which is a big plus. The ceramic grinder ensures you get consistent grinds every time, and while it's not as customizable as the Breville, it's a fantastic option for anyone who values simplicity and speed. If you prefer an espresso machine that does the work for you without needing a lot of adjustments, this is a great choice. Moving on to the worth considering category, we have the DeLonghi La Specialista Arte Evo. This machine is perfect for someone who wants a little more control over their brewing process. It features an integrated grinder with 8 grind settings and a tamping station, which allows for a more hands-on approach to your espresso. While it lacks the automatic milk frothing features of some of the higher-end models, it offers a great middle ground for people who want to improve their barista skills while still enjoying some automated features. For the premium choice, the Jura Z10 takes the lead. This machine is packed with cutting-edge technology, from its product-recognizing grinder that ensures optimal grind consistency, to its 3D brewing unit that enhances extraction. The Jura Z10 also has cold extraction capabilities, allowing you to create more than just traditional espresso. Its touchscreen interface is sophisticated, and it offers extensive customization options, which makes it perfect for someone who wants the best of the best. Of course, the price tag reflects its premium status, but if you're willing to invest, this machine delivers an unmatched espresso experience. Finally, if you're looking for the best value, the Gevi machine is a solid option. It's an affordable choice that still gives you a good espresso experience. With its external combo grinder and 20-bar pressure, it offers a reliable brew. It's not as advanced as the other machines on this list, but for someone on a budget who still wants a quality espresso, it's a great pick. To wrap up, if you want the best overall experience with a balance of convenience and control, the Breville Barista Touch is your top choice. But if you're on a tighter budget, the Gevi still gives you solid results without breaking the bank. Now that you've got the breakdown, make sure to check out our next recommended video. It's ready to play on the screen now.